up, one-tonners? We're at Goodell Creek today. We're gonna get some fishing in, try to catch some catfish. Something we do want to try different. We want to hear more from you guys about what you think so far of our videos, what you expect from our videos, or what we could do better. We want to get you guys more involved too. Maybe give us some challenges, some I don't know, whatever you guys want to see. We're doing this for fun, but we're also doing this for you guys too, to entertain you as we entertain ourselves. So some feedback's appreciated. Comment down below. Say, hey, one-tonners, we want to see this. We want to see Art do this. We want to see Josh. If he doesn't catch a fish, he's got to eat a worm, whatever. Something crazy like that. Just give us a comment. This spot looks pretty nice. Pardon the road noise today as we get to it.
What's up, one-tonners? Back here, fishing still. Not a whole lot of catching going on. Richard did get one nice little blue. Say, Richard.
Oh, that's a pretty blue.
Pretty nice one, ain't it?
Yeah, you need a hand?
I got some pliers right here.
Breaking the ice for us, Richard. Breaking the ice.
Richard is a man of many, many words. Y'all know Art Fart, Muscle Man, the Muscle, Art Jr. So let me tell y'all how we got to where we are this morning. The other day we had a snowstorm here, and it was a pretty good one. I think I ended up with almost 3 inches of snow at my house. Well, we're in Virginia, so that's about as good as it gets. But Art and I decided we wanted to go and prospect for some new spots. So we ended up going to Bluestone Boat Ramp and walked out, and you guys should hopefully see a little clip here shortly of Art throwing the net in the snow and maybe a little bit more. Yes, you are seeing this correctly. It is snowing. Snow in Virginia after we just had 60-degree weather a couple of days ago. So Art and I are kind of geniuses. We decided to come out here and not just check out this spot, but we're out on this sketchy ice and snow covered, what's this thing called? Boat dock. There we go. It's just a really long one. That's so creepy looking with the fog coming up off of the water and the snow coming down. So Art is going to enlighten us with some tricks on how to throw a little baby throw net in the snow off of a slippery dock. So let's hope he doesn't fall in your water.
First tip, don't fall.
So,
I'm gonna throw it halfway, but supposedly it's real deep out there.
really? So you don't want to fall in the deep spot is what you're telling me.
Well, I don't know if it's working.
Hold on a second. I'm walking behind you a little bit so I can get closer. Okay. Never mind. Hey, Art.
Yeah.
Don't walk us through the steps. It's okay. We didn't need that footage.
I didn't know this was a tutorial.
Yeah, I just made it one. There's gonna be monsters in there. Oh, they are, dude. You got some. Dude. Sweet. How big are they? Are they tiny?
Yeah.
Look, I had a camera pointing over here at the water still, and Art's over here picking up some fish. Is it shad?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for the big ones, man. That's the big ones. Did you let it sink all the way? Anything?
No.
Is it cold?
Oh yeah, there is something in here.
Ah. Ooh, has that got some size to it?
No. My hands are frozen.
Already?
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's like the snow.
That's what? Are you crazy? It's snowing? What is all that? I thought that was just rain.
Oh man, there's a couple. Easily perfect for bass fishing though.
Yeah. Good throw, man. Maybe you just need to throw in the snow more often. That is pretty deep. That's still going down. So anyway, we decided we want to go back there today as kind of a follow-up to that video. And we showed up and there was like 2 people fishing there already. So like, no big deal. Well, we get down there to it and they had basically the entire open bank full of fishing rods. So we couldn't fish there. So Richard told us about this spot that he'd been trying to get to for a long time, hadn't been in a while. And we decided to go ahead and give it a shot. So we're down here, we're checking it out. It's beautiful. Now the walk sucks a little bit because, you know, obviously I'm a little bit on the chubby side. Got kind of a bad knee and, you know, just kind of lazy. So anyway, I made it down. That's the hill right there. Rough hill. It's terrible. And we're down here now. As soon as we got down here, Richard went and showed us up by catching a blue. The second he'd come in, he was bringing his line in and that thing hit. And it was just on. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share and subscribe.
Did you say subscribe yet?
Subscribe. Don't forget subscribe. And then last but certainly not least, leave us a comment. Talk to us. We definitely want this to be an interactive channel. I think it could be a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys can teach us some stuff because I don't know if we're going to be teaching you a whole lot, but we're going to try. Oh, get him, Art. Told you it was your turn, buddy. You got any size to him?
Coming to the top.
He's coming to the top.
Feels like it's coming up.
It might be.
This is a good place to fish here.
Ooh. Yeah.
Try not to horse in there.
I don't think he realized he's hooked yet.
Is he in my other line? Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's in both of them, I think. Maybe just the one. Do you need us to reel it in or something? Or? Yeah, it might be.
Little sticks right there, I don't want to get hung up in them.
Yeah.
So you ain't gonna get them in. Oh man.
Oh yeah. See? Look at you, Arthur. That's right, pull a catfish Dave. Crack kills.
Ain't no crack yet.
Oh yeah. What's that, about 15? 20?
Okay. I'm looking on the other line.
What you catching on, Art?
Brimhead.
Brimheads, that's what they're liking today, huh? Y'all smile for the camera. Nice.
Not bad for a camera.
Very good. Very good. Good job, dude. You got him? Is he still on? I wonder if it's a catfish.
It is a small.
Looks like he's kind of swimming all over the place, ain't he? Hope he ain't any other line. Oh,
Fish on your bait.
that's a fish stick.
Fish stick. Hey, come on back if you want to. You brought me some luck.
But you know, that's a good eating size one right there.
It is.
Yeah, come on back.
Good eating size.
That is.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to distract you.
That's right.
Look at that.
I seen y'all got a couple nice ones. Like, what are you doing?
Richard, you want to keep him for bait? All right, buddy, you're going back.
Uh-huh.
Oh wait, no, he's swimming towards.
Oh, he's swimming toward you. Oh, that might be a nice one, dude. You on fire today, Arthur. Man. I thought he was going to pull the rod out the rod holder.
This is a channel cat.
Is it?
Oh no, it's not blue.
Is it really? Oh yeah, it is a nice one there.
Same one you just started to lose, ain't it?
Close to it.
Ain't they clear though?
Oh yeah, they're pretty. All right, y'all, comment down below how long you think it's going to take Art to take the hook out of this fish's mouth.
I got it out for you to comment. Not bad.
There you go, hold him up right there. Oh, yeah,
He got a little dirty.
that's a nice one.
Stop it.
That's a hook set too. Look, I had it pointing the wrong way. Look at it, there's a fish, guys.